I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can pay Crunchyroll with Google Play. Now, for example, here I'm already on Crunchyroll. If I click on Go Premium here, you can see there's a couple of subscriptions I can buy. So for example, I can go Fan, I can go Mega Fan, or I can go Annual Mega Fan. Now it depends on what kind of subscription you want. If you want Mega Fan, Fan, or Annual Mega Fan, it really depends on you. Now if I want to buy Fan here, for example, I'll get no ads, unlimited access, similar cost, and stream on one device. If I want to subscribe, just click on Start Subscription. And there you go. See, I can pay with Google Play just as easy as this. If I want to subscribe, I just have to click on that blue button on the bottom. I'm not going to click on it though because that will actually subscribe me to Crunchyroll. If you want to explore other payment methods, just click on this to explore other methods here. Like there's also credit or debit card or any other local payment methods you have. Right now, my payment method is adjusted to my current region as well. So of course, be mindful of that. But that's it. If you go click on that blue button, you'll be subscribed and you'll be able to pay with Google Play. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.